How to manage DNS zones in Plesk. This demo assumes you've already logged into Plesk. Now let's learn how to manage DNS zones. Click the DNS Settings option. From here you can switch off the DNS service, make the Plesk DNS server act as a slave for this zone and use an external DNS zone instead, add a DNS zone record, or restore the default settings. Let's go ahead and add a new record. Let's add an A record, which lets us point a subdomain to an IP address. The DNS record has been created, but you still have to click Update for the changes to go live. That's it! You can now see the new record we just added here in the list of DNS records. To remove a DNS record, simply select it, then click Remove. Once again, click Update to make the changes live. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to manage DNS zones in Plesk.